Peace family. Okay, so this is the struggle. Okay, now I do have some tights on already, but I'm trying to put these tights on, honey. And these tights, okay, when I was a little smaller, I had made this knot right here so the tights could stay, stay up. Honey, I can't even. Honey, all of this is out. I can't even get this shit out, honey. But this is what I'm wearing to the gym. Okay, let's see. Oh, honey, I'm good. All right, so I'll see you guys at the gym. Okay, make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself, fucking with you. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we are heading out. Well, I'm heading out to go to the gym. Okay, first off, hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. If not, do understand and get it's going to get better once your perception gets better. So earlier today, okay, I did a few things. One, I had signed up to start fixing my credit. Okay, because honey, credit is what you need. Okay, so I went to this app called Kickoff, so I got approved and everything to start fixing my credit, so I'm excited about that. But then, okay, I don't know if you guys are like me, right? But when I start being in the house, right, sometimes you could be like, oh, it's so comfortable in here. But honey, I'm the type, once I go out, honey, I can't come back in the house and stay. Okay, so I'll be out for a few hours or so, right? So I had signed up for I think it's retro gym. Okay, is the red and yellow thing, right? Is an instructor that used to teach the cycling class, the spinners class that I used to go to before at this other gym, but she's now at retro. So I don't know if I'm gonna continue to do retro gym or whatever, but honey, I'm on my way to the gym. At first, I was like, ooh, honey, right? Because sometimes if you haven't gone to a place in so long, sometimes you will be like nervous and stuff. But honey, I'm good. I'm good for the hood. Okay. All right. So first off, my pants, okay, I couldn't really get them on. I got another pair of tights up under here because, honey, I will be walking to the gym. Okay. We walking there. Okay. And I didn't even know if I had sneakers because recently when I had my vehicle, I had gave away like all my sneakers and shoes and stuff. Well, mainly all of them that was old. So I gave them all away. So I have like 2 pairs of sneakers and stuff like that. So I'm going to use these sneakers to head out to go to the gym. And I will see you guys once we get there. Peace. Peace, family. Okay, so I know I said I'll see you guys once we get to the gym. Honey, I almost forgot. Honey, I need to put some goddamn deodorant on. So this is what I use pretty much for deodorant. Okay, we have a key lime here, and I'm just gonna squirt a little bit up under my underarms. Okay, honey, this is what I use for deodorant. Okay, all right. So yes, I know some the same one. Okay, I don't shower today. I'm good. Okay, I see you guys at the gym. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, so we are here at Retro Fitness. Let's go inside and see what they talk about. It look kind of empty in here. One second. How you doing? I had signed up online for the free pass. How long is the free pass good for? 24 hours, okay. And then to become a member, how much is it?
It depends on which membership you choose. You have
Okay.
the 3 tiers.
All right.
So we have the ultimate, which is our highest paying package. It comes with a checking account. It comes up to $31.98. When you sign up with a credit card, it's $3 more.
Okay.
And then there's an annual fee of $49 plus tax that comes out exactly 45 days after sign up.
Okay.
So then this is non-commitment. You can cancel 7 days prior to your billing date. The next tier down
Okay.
is a 12-month commitment. So no enrollment fee, no annual fee, but you are locked in for the
12 months.
And
Okay.
for both of these, you have nationwide access.
Okay. Now with this, I mean, say if I do the core, matter of fact, no, let's say if I do the flex. If I do the flex, y'all have the spinners class with May, right? May still here?
Yes.
Okay, so how much would that
It's
be?
$5 per class when you're a regular member.
Member?
When you're an ultimate member, it's included in the package. You don't have to pay anything for that.
All right, okay.
January 31st for like 9 a month, 10 a month.
Okay, peace family. So listen, so they had like these charges on there. So first of all, I used the free pass in 2020, okay, that I didn't know of. I guess when I did the spinners class, I had used it. But today, in order for you to start, it was like 76, damn near $80. And then is upcoming fees, which is like $56. I guess that's like, I don't know. I don't know what those damn fees is about. And then going forward, I think for the flex, it was like 20, I think I seen $25. So I don't know. But honey, that's what you have your house for, to work out at your house. So I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself. Peace.